everyone, I'm the author, Mei Yu. If you love my art videos and challenges, you'll love my new manga drawing school. This is the ultimate how to draw manga book to help you improve your creativity and drawing skills. Like, look how big this is! Manga Drawing School has over 250 pages and 50 step-by-step lessons. Also, there are over 700 tips, tricks, annotations, my art secrets, comparisons, and different manga art styles to help you ignite your imagination, improve your creativity, and upgrade your skills. Plus, over 1,000 illustrations and images, large and small. You'll learn lots from this book. Everything from the basics like eyes, hairstyles, and expressions, to making complete original characters with full bodies and outfits, to vibrant scenes with backgrounds. You'll also explore how to design different types of manga characters, including shonen and shoujo. You'll even learn other essential lessons like how to make your own manga panels, storytelling techniques, and reimagining characters in different ways and art styles. This book is ideal for all ages and skill levels. With practice, you can draw awesome professional-looking manga characters of your own with attention-grabbing eyes, amazing hair, and gorgeous outfits. This is more than just another how-to-draw book. This is the most comprehensive drawing guide I've ever seen anywhere before.